Today we discuss about that acidity of alcohol, acidity of aliphatic alcohols by using inductive effect. We have to check it out which one is a more acidic, which one is a less acidic by using inductive effect. Here, for example, CH3, CH2OH, then another one is a CH2, CH, CH3OH, then another one is a CH3C, CH3, CH3OH. In this case, that acidity of alcohols always which is depends on plus I group. For example, here group with OH. If it is a group is plus I group means electron releasing group. Plus I group means electron releasing group. So donating electron towards this direction, towards the oxygen, this bond is very strong. Very strong. So it is also loses the H plus ion, but compared to this one, H plus. Here, for example, this group is minus I group. Minus I group means electron withdrawing group. Minus I group means electron withdrawing group. The bonded electron move towards the group direction. This bond is very weak. Very weak, so that here GO minus H plus. In these two, which is easily loses H plus ion, that is always more acidic. Acidic character always loses of H plus ion. So here, which one is easily loses? Here, this one is easily loses the H plus ion because this bond is very weak. The bonded electron move towards group direction. For example, this is a cap. So cap is a hydrogen. Cap is a hydrogen. So I will have to use another color. This is a cap is a hydrogen, this one is a hydrogen, this is oxygen, this one is a group. If it is a group is electron withdrawing group, it is easily loses H plus ion. If it is this cap is acting, this group is acting as an electron donor, this bond is very strong. It does not loses because the bond is moves to this direction. So that this bond is very strong. Here plus I group increases acidic character, plus I group increases acidity of alcohols, decreases. Minus I group increases, acidity of alcohols increases. This is a final conclusion. Here OH group attached to alcohol attached carbon. This carbon attached to only one carbon. This is a primary alcohol. This is a primary alcohol. This is a alcohol carbon attached to here two carbons. This carbon attached to two carbons. This is secondary alcohol. This one is a tertiary alcohol. So in this case, here each methyl group it is acting as a plus I group. Here plus I group is one plus I group. Here plus I groups are two plus I groups. Here plus I groups are three plus I groups. So what we wrote, number of plus I group increases, acidic character decreases. So finally primary alcohols are more acidic than secondary alcohols, then tertiary alcohols because of more plus I group. Here tertiary alcohols which has more plus I group. So while plus I group increases, reactivity acidic character decreases. So now I will discuss one more example. Here it is purely depends on whether it is a plus I group and a minus I group. For example, here CH3, CH2OH, then here CH3, C double bond OH. In this case, this is a group is different. Remaining every part is same. So here this is acting as a plus I group, whereas this one is acting as a minus I group. What we wrote? Minus I group increases, acidity increases. Plus I group increases, acidity decreases. So that here carboxylic acids are more acidic than alcohols. Finally, acidity order, carboxylic acids are more acidic than alcohols. So here acid and alcohol, always carboxylic acids are more acidic than alcohols. So again I have to take one more example, CH3, then C double bond OH. So here one more is a CH2, then so I will take again both are alcohols, CH2, then CH2 fluorine, CH2OH. So here instead we wrote here two hydrogen, here hydrogen and fluorine. So fluorine always act as a minus IE group, Then here hydrogen is a neutral. So what we wrote? Minus I increases, acidity increases. So always fluoroalcohols, fluoroethanol is more than 1 and 2. Always 2 is greater than 1. This is a reactivity order of alcohols. So one more example I have to discuss. The simplest question. So here CH3 CH2OH, or I have to take HOH CH3OH, then HC double bond OH. In this case, so this part will be same for all compounds. OH, everything is same. That this one is a different. Whatever that we wrote circle, that is a different. Here, what is this group? This is generally neutral. Then this one is a plus I group. This one is a minus I group. So not this one. This is the entire thing. This one, minus I group. So here minus I group increases, acidity increases. Plus I group increases, acidity decreases. Again here in this case, the third one is a more acidic than first one, then second one. Here because of it is a plus I group. Then generally alcohols, methanol and water, that is a percentage of the acidity, or we have to define by using dielectric constant. So dielectric constant of water is maximum than ethanol, so that it is a more acidic nature. Thank you everyone.